So these are called PlasmaFlows, also known as Kendalls. Typically, we will send these home with patients who have had an abdominoplasty surgery. These are used to help promote circulation and promote blood flow in the calves to prevent blood clots. So to put these on, they are Velcro. You have the patient lift up their leg. You put it on like this. And to turn it on, you just press the power button on the top. And you will hear a beep indicating that they are on. These are going to fill up with air and help pump blood around the patient's lower extremities. These will come fully charged, but if they do die, they're going to give you a box to go home with, and there's going to be a charger included, and you just plug them in on the bottom. We will typically have patients wear these for 1 to 2 days and wear them until you come to your post-operative appointment.